If you've ever scrolled endlessly through your Apple photos trying to find that one perfect shot, you know how easy it is to feel totally overwhelmed by your camera roll. But did you know there are powerful sort and filter tools in your iPhone, iPad and Mac that can help you find what you need in seconds? In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to use them so your best memories are just a tap away. And make sure you stay with me until the end because I'll share a clever little trick that most people miss. It'll save you loads of time when you're trying to narrow things down. Sorting and filtering on iPhone and iPad. Let's start with mobile, because let's face it, most of us are trying to manage our photos on the go.
On your iPhone, head to the Photos app and scroll down to be in the library area, and a two-way arrow will appear. If you click on it, you can first see some sorting options by recently added or capture date. Under it, you'll get the filter options where you can filter by favorites, photos, videos, and more. And you can even view those photos that are not in an album if you're doing some sorting. If you close the filter area, there's also another option where you can select to show or not show screenshots, another great filter option. You can also use the filter area in albums where you can filter for your favorite or a type of photo or video. When it comes to albums, my top tip is to name your albums with year then month, then location or any extra information. Why? Well, for sorting your albums, you can then sort by date modified, by custom, or by name, which will sort your albums by date, which is what you've called your albums.
Using filters on the Mac version of Apple Photos. Now, if you're working on your Mac, which I highly recommend for bigger sorting sessions, you've got even more options.
Open the Photos app, and in your library or any album, there is a filter option in the top right, above all your photos, where you can choose to filter by photo type, favorites, or shortcutted keywords and more. And here's something I love. If you've added keywords or titles to your images, you can quickly search them in the search bar at the top, like door or people's names. You can also use smart albums on your Mac. These are dynamic albums that automatically pull in photos based on criteria you choose. For example, you can set up a smart album that shows your live photos taken before the 1st of January 2018. Apple Photos does the sorting for you. Just remember that smart albums are not visible on your phone.
Now, if you're watching this and thinking, that's great, Amanda, but my photos are everywhere and I can't even begin to sort them properly yet, then it might be time to check out my Photo Mess Success courses. They are a step-by-step system for getting all your photos into one place, backed up and properly organized. No fluff, no overwhelm, just real results. You can find out more at photomesssuccess.co.uk if you're ready to finally sort your photo chaos once and for all. Bonus tip, use albums for filtering power. And here's that little known tip I promised you. If you want to supercharge your sorting, use albums with filters to create a curated workspace.
Start by creating a new album with the plus and give it a name. And then add a batch of photos you're working on, for example, a trip or a birthday party. To quickly find the photos, you could search by location for a holiday. Once you're in the album, go to the top right and tap the filter area. Then you can narrow down exactly what you need, favorites or videos, or if you've created a shortcut for a keyword, you can filter by that too. This layered filtering gives you so much more control, especially when you're pulling together slideshows, books, or doing a backup.
So now you know how to quickly sort and filter your Apple Photos like a pro, whether you're using your phone, your iPad, or your Mac. And if you're ready to take your organizing even further, check out this video next, all about how to tag your photos so they are searchable in seconds. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more photo organizing tips. Have fun rediscovering your memories. I'll see you in my next video.